Adobe community expert Gary Dufner here. Sometimes we add audio to our video and then we don't have a visual for it. I added some narration at the beginning here and I don't have video for it. So I'm going to go to the first part of the video and I'm going to click on this little button here that looks like a camera. It says export frame. Click on that. You can name it whatever you want to name it. You can browse and put it wherever you are putting all of your files for your video that you're making. And then click OK. I'll go to File, Import, find that still, and click Import. And then in my Project panel, click on it and drag it into the timeline. And drag it over here and cut it where the timeline is. Get the Move tool to delete the right side, and then drag this down where I want to put it. Now we have a visual where the narration is.